Come in 3 cedis, 50 pesos. Hey, you Junior. I feel Ghana I call IMF dear, but one more show. Eesh. Hello everyone, I am Misika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador. About a year ago, I did a video where I spent $1 in a day on 3 meals in Ghana. But that was about a year ago, and there's been approximately 40% inflation. When I did that video, the Ghana cedis to the dollar ratio was about 1 to 6. But right now, $1 in Ghana is about 8 cedis. So I was trying to do some calculations to see whether I could still do a dollar in a day video. But I realized I can no longer spend $1 in a day on 3 meals in Ghana. Like, Ghana has become like way expensive. It's just not possible. Unless maybe I do fasting or something. So I decided to go for $3 in a day. I think that would be more realistic, and I can still get all my favorite foods with that amount. So this video is a cost of living video. I'm going to show you what meals you can get with 24 Ghana cedis, which is about $3 in a day in Ghana. I'm currently with Mumsy. I'm on my way to go buy wachi. I saw her on the way and I decided to bring her because say hi. Hi. So my plan is to divide my $3 into $1 per meal. So for my breakfast or brunch, because it's already 9, I am going to get some wache. I am thinking of getting wache about 8 cedis, so we'll see how that goes. Wache 4 cedis, Kasoa bako, salad 1 cedi. So I've been able to buy my wache. I got my wache for 6 cedis, 50 pesos. I wanted to buy some sausage, but there was no sausage today, and unfortunately she didn't have leaves, so I had to go with the rubber, which is a bummer, but so I bought my wache for 6 cedis, 50 pesos. And I also bought some suya, which many of you may know as tofu, for 1 cedi. That's 7 cedis, 50 pesos. And I also saw some coconuts, which I couldn't resist. So I bought 1 coconut for 3 cedis. So in total, I have spent 10 cedis, 50 pesos for my brunch. Yeah, I'm going to eat twice today. The food was yummy and it's done. On to the next. Actually, probably late lunch or supper because I'm too full and it's almost noon. It's currently 3 p.m. and my late lunch is due. So for late lunch, I decided to make my own food. So I am making plantain with beans for 5 Ghana cedis. So I've currently spent 15 Ghana cedis, 50 pesos, and I have 8 cedis, 50 pesos left for my supper. Let's go. Late lunch is ready. I'm eating cocoa with beans, one of my favorite foods. So delicious. Let me dig in. This food is worth about 5 Ghana cedis. It is yummy, it looks good, it's delicious, it's nutritious. Actually, I'm still kind of full from eating that wachi, but I still wanted to eat. So yeah, cheers. Oops. Another hunger. So I decided to go with a little snack for my supper. So I bought this yogurt, which is about 6 cedis, and then I bought this bofu for 2 cedis. So this is 8 cedis. So I have spent 23 cedis, 50 pesos, and I have 50 pesos left. This brings me to the end of the video. I am done with my food. $3 in a day is actually not bad at all. Like, I can eat what I call luxury and be fine. So Ghana has become very expensive, but it's still better than some places, so it's not that bad. 3 meals in a day for $3 is actually a steal, and I'm full, so I'm very, very happy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Can you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button? Remember that obra, woara, life is how you make it. Till next time, I'm out. So yummy. Extremely yummy. This buffet actually looks like Venus. Actually. Venice.
Oh, you saw that meme?
Yeah.